Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds and every stroke tells a story. Today, get ready to embark on a journey of artistic discovery as we delve into the mesmerizing world of drawing cubes. Join Rosie as she demystifies the art of perspective and dimension, showing you how to turn simple lines into captivating three-dimensional shapes, from mastering the basics of vanishing points to adding depth and texture. Rosie's step-by-step guidance will empower you to unleash your inner artist and bring your drawings to life. Whether you are a seasoned sketcher or a curious beginner, Artistic Adventures by Rosie promises to be an exhilarating ride filled with inspiration, insight, and plenty of creative fun. Prepare to be amazed as Rosie shares her secrets for creating stunning visual illusions and transforming flat surface into dynamic three-dimensional composition. With her infectious enthusiasm and clear, easy to follow instructions, you will soon discover that drawing cubes is not just an art, it's an adventure. So, grab your pencils and let's dive into the magical realm of drawing cubes together. Thank you very much.